Here's our Suncast patio box. It is in the sun probably for about 4 or 5 hours a day. We've had this for 2 years, our third year now. You can see it's held up pretty well. There's one or two little things that we found about it, but overall it's a great patio box. And what we do is we actually put all our pool stuff in it. And we're just opening up our pool now. You'll see how the top stays open. Those are because of the hinges. Those hinges are great. They do keep the box open. Again, no problem whatsoever. They kind of lift up and then you can kind of slide them down. It's a slow, gentle. If you push it, they go down really, really well. The pressure is perfect. I mean, just a little press and it's closed. And then you pick it back up. And once it's all the way up, it'll actually stay there. It locks in place real well. The pistons have had no problems whatsoever. They're still strong. Still ready to go. Well, the one thing that you're really not supposed to do, you're not supposed to have a whole bunch of stuff sitting on it. You're not supposed to have the kids play on it. Our kids did. And what's happened now is the little clasp where the lock goes into the little hole, it doesn't line up anymore. I suspect it's been kind of bowed and pushed in from the kids kind of jumping and playing on this and using this as basically a bench half the summer. But otherwise, it's held up pretty well. You can see again, it's the color has remained. There is absolutely no fading, and it's held up fairly well overall. Other than, of course, the kids just kind of crushing it and kind of bending it. Construction is a little bit tricky at first. You have to the instructions are not great, but you do figure it out. It's not impossible either. All the corners kind of click together and then you can kind of screw it together. I use a rubber mallet. That really helped to kind of bang everything in. But once it's constructed, it's nice and strong there. There is a little lip on it as well. This little lip comes down over the plastic. And again, I think because my kids have kind of bent it a little bit, it doesn't close real tight right here, but it does close tight enough. This little lip, that little lip keeps 99% of the rain out. It's been completely waterproof. We haven't had no problem at all opening up and finding pools of water or puddles of water. None of that. We had an old patio box that did that. That's been pretty good. So it's nice. It's watertight or waterproof at least. We have no problem at all. If we have patio furniture with cushions, this would be perfect for storing everything in. Again, it's got a nice wicker design. It does look kind of nice. Suncast patio box, I like it. I recommend it.